Flashbacks, what are they? Flashbacks in literature would be when you go in the scene before the story begins. So in Harry Potter, that's when you saw his parents die. So flashbacks, what
The
are
act of
they?
his parents dying
Flashbacks
explains a
in
lot
literature would be when you
in the
go
story of
in
Harry Potter, and it explains how he got the scar, how he's so powerful at a young age. There are two types of flashbacks. Those a reader makes past a certain event or after reading an event. That would be an internal flashback. When the external flashback is when a writer makes a flashback. Like in Harry Potter here, that's an external flashback. An example of a historical flashback is in World War II. The Germans began their invasion in Belgium. Like in World War One, that would be a flashback. When the Germans went for an attack on Belgium, the French remembered what happened 30 years earlier. Flashbacks in people. Some soldiers that have PTSD will have flashbacks. They relive some moments in their past to an extent it makes it seem real. For some others, they can be joyful, like having a flashback of your childhood when you passed a park. Tips and tricks to spot and use flashbacks. To use flashbacks, you should first justify why that flashback is necessary, like seeing something or touching something. A tip to find a flashback would be to look at when those events happened and if the author moved between timelines to explain certain events. So, recap flashbacks are a very useful tool if you know how to use them. They can explain how people are how they are and why places are like they are. Thanks.